Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Audible library to a new iPhone or iPad step by step clearly. To transfer your Audible library to a new iPhone or iPad, start by ensuring that you are logged into your Audible account. Next, open the Audible app on your new iPhone or iPad. If you haven't installed the Audible app yet, download it from the App Store first. Once the app is opened, tap on the Sign In button. Enter your Audible credentials and log into your account. After logging in, you should see your Audible library listed. To download your audiobooks, tap on the desired title in your library. A download icon will appear next to the audiobook title. Tap the download icon to begin downloading the audiobook. You can monitor the download progress in your library. Once the download is complete, the audiobook will be ready for playback. If you want to download multiple titles, repeat the process for each audiobook. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection for efficient downloading. After all desired audiobooks are downloaded, you can start listening right away. If you had previously synced your Audible library on your old device, all your progress should carry over. Make sure your Audible app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Lastly, enjoy your audiobooks on your new iPhone or iPad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.